Hey everyone, it's me, George. What I want to do right now is get you into the O'Reilly Learning online platform. I have got a code for you that's going to get 30 days of free access to the platform. And in particular, you can check out my new book, Advancing into Analytics. So what you'll want to do is start with this link that I will provide. The important part right here is this promo code. That's going to take you from 7 to 30 days of free access to the platform. So you see it's filled out right here. You can fill all this other stuff out. I'm sure you filled out a form before, and in the spirit of not disclosing personal information, I will let you do that, and I'll do the same, and we'll meet back here, and I'll give you a little tour of the platform and make sure you can get to where you need to be for the book. So I'll see you in a second. All right, so I'm back. I'm in. So you can just start from here. You'll get an email. You can log in with your password that you set and all that. You'll just go to learning.o'reilly.com. But I'm going to go ahead and get started here. The O'Reilly platform has a lot of stuff. And when you get started, you'll have the option to take a little tour. I'll give you a little tour myself right now. You're going to see that there are a lot of different media. Good name for O'Reilly, media. Things like online events, O'Reilly Answers. This is an NLP powered tool where you can ask some sort of technical question. It will mine through O'Reilly's books and find you the answer. It's got interactive learning. So these are code-based exercises where you can kind of code along with the scenario and learn from there. Live online training. So think of something like a webinar. Lots of different topics. But, really the main draw that I want to show you is how to get to my content. Don't want to be that selfish, but, that's why I'm making the video. So I'm going to go to George Mount, and you'll see a few different things. I do offer some online training sessions. So depending on when you sign up, you may be able to go to one of these. And like I said, that's more of a live webinar kind of style event. But the main thing I want to draw your attention to is the book. So this is Advancing into Analytics. I'm going to click through here. And this is going to give you full access to the book. You can read it here if you were on an iPad or a phone, smartphone, whatever. O'Reilly has apps for that as well. So this is a great opportunity to read the book in its entirety using that 30-day subscription. You can kind of check out the table of contents here, get started where you'd like, click through. And, if I were to start here, I can go from part 1. I'm going to start right here at chapter 1 and just start reading and scrolling and just seeing the information. So really great opportunity to check out the book. Another thing I want to draw your attention to is the reviews. So reviews are really important for book success, and if you have any inclination to do so, please, I strongly encourage you to leave a review. You'll see here that there are a few reviews now. They're all pretty good. You can leave whatever review you would want right here. I'm not going to do so because we talk about bias in the book, and I think this would be a form of bias for me to leave my own review. So I'm going to click out of that, but you please do so. Leave a review if you would like. So that does it for me. I hope that you get your money, I guess, out of the platform. I just want to show you one more thing here just to really emphasize how great of a tool this is. I'm just going to search for a random topic, and you're going to see all sorts of content here. So O'Reilly Online Learning is not just O'Reilly content. They have partnerships with a lot of the main tech publishers, maybe all of them nearly. And it's not just books too. You're going to see that there are videos. Like I already mentioned, there are interactive coding sessions, online live events. So lots of different things to do on the platform. But really, the main draw and the reason I wanted to do the video is to get you access to the book so you can check it out. Leave a review. Would love to hear your thoughts. If you need any help getting in here, navigating it, just let me know. They have pretty good support too at O'Reilly, but just want to make sure that if you have any inclination to check out my book, that you can get to it. This is 30 days for free, so I just want to make this as low barrier as possible to get you to check out the book. So thank you again for your interest, and happy reading.